Here's a 60-second script for the Reference Angle interactive calculator. Struggling to find reference angles without making mistakes? Whether you're in trig class or solving real engineering problems, getting this wrong throws off everything downstream. The Reference Angle interactive calculator makes it instant and foolproof. Just enter any angle in degrees or radians, and it immediately tells you the reference angle, which quadrant you're in, and shows you exactly where it lands on the unit circle. Let's try it. Enter 245 degrees. The calculator tells you instantly you're in quadrant 3, and your reference angle is 65 degrees. No memorizing rules, no second guessing. It handles negative angles, angles beyond 360 degrees, radians, whatever you throw at it. If you're studying for an exam or just need a quick answer, this free calculator saves you time every single time. Try it now using the link below.